Destoner is an equipment used to clean food grains by removing impurities in it. Today, we'll see the destoning process of wheat. Destoner is a combination of three equipments, namely aspirator, destoner, and grader. Aspirator sucks out the lighter impurities like husk, shell, paper, and dust using controlled airflow, while the raw material is discharged from the hopper. Destoner removes heavier impurities like stones and metal pieces from food grains by mechanical vibration while moving over an inclined perforated tray. Grader consists of two reciprocating perforated sieves to obtain three different food material grades.